Class 9 Political Science Chapter 2 Constitutional Design. In the previous video, we had already done discussion about South Africa, how this constitution was much more important to bring peace in that country. And after this constitution, how this white and black people got the equality. Let's continue with the role of the constitution in any country. So constitution, it means it is a set of written rules that are accepted by all the people living in that country. It also generates a degree of trust and coordination that is necessary for different kind of people to live together. It specifies how the government will be formed, who will have power to take which decisions. It lays down the limits on the powers of the government and tells us what the rights of the citizens are. It expresses the aspirations of the people about creating a good society. Every country with constitution is not democratic, but every democratic country has a constitution. India have the largest constitution in the world. So while making this constitution, what are the main problems people are facing? Let's discuss. First point, making constitution for a huge and diverse country like India was not an easy task. The country was born through partition on the basis of religion differences like India and Pakistan and was a traumatic experience. Third, British had left it to the rulers whether they want to join India or they want to join Pakistan or they want to remain independent. The constitution was providing its people with equality, but in reality, people were not equal. Makes of the constitution feared that will be the people of India accept the constitution. So they all were also feared that whatever the constitution we are making today, are the people going to accept in future? Formation of the Indian Constitution. The makers of the Indian Constitution already knew that what type of constitution they wanted, and our freedom struggle was also based upon it. In 1928, Motilal Nehru and 8 other Congress leaders had already drafted the Indian Constitution with all the rights in it. The experience gained by Indians working in the legislative institutions under Britishers was also used while forming the Constitution. Our Constitution adopted many good laws from the colonial rule, like the Government of India Act 1935. Our Constitution adopted good laws and policies from the Constitution of other democratic countries. For example, India adopted the principle of liberty, freedom, and justice from the French Constitution. We have adopted Bill of Rights from the United States of America. The practice of parliamentary democracy has been adopted from Great Britain. The Indian Constitution. The Constitution was passed by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. The Constitution was enforced on 26 January 1950. In December 1929, the Congress in its Lahore session had decided to fight for Purna Swaraj or complete independence, and 26 January 1930 was celebrated as the Independence Day. Since then, that and why our leaders decided to celebrate 26 January 1950 as the day of enforce the Constitution of India. Why should we follow the same constitution which was made in the past? So the main important reason is this, that on that time when the constitution were made, it was made by very different types of people. So everyone need was taken care of. It might be any old age people or young age people. So everybody participated while making this constitution. Next, no political party or social group has ever questioned the legitimacy of the constitution. Not even today, nobody have any doubt or any confusion or any problem related to this constitution which were made in the past. Third point, and the main point, that this constitution before making this constitution, each and every topics were totally discussed. It was a long debate and discussion was focused on each and every topic, and that's why that all were things were under this constitution came. So everything is totally known, understood discussion, and afterwards it came in our constitution book. So finally, Gandhiji he also given some thoughts for this constitution. Although on that time he was not writing the constitution, but before that he told his thoughts what he want under the new constitution in our country. He told there should be no foreign rule. There should be equality among Indian citizens. There should be peace in society. No untouchability should be there in India, where male and female should get equal rights. So, this preamble of the Constitution reads like a poem on democracy. It contains the philosophy on which the entire Constitution has been built. It provides a standard to examine and evaluate any law and action of the government and find out whether it is good or bad. It is the soul of the Indian Constitution.